Hey tubers, we got a 96 Cadillac that don't start. Digital dashboard. It shows security. If I start, it won't crank. No crank. Okay. First thing we do, measure the resistance of this chip. I checked it. One of them failed, nothing. One of them shows 7.46K. It's kind of tricky to measure it, but what I did is this. I took two needle connectors, right there, and I stick it to each side of the key. It's kind of hard, but it's done. It's 746K. Now with that in mind, 746K, we go into identify the wire. Two wires that go from I'm not sure, is it a cluster or body computer? It doesn't matter. We go back there and we see what we see. Two wires broke, or someone cut them. These are two white wires that go to the key. Obviously it shows a problem. The wire is corrupted. Okay, so what I did, I identify those two wires that come back from those two white wires. It's the violet white and gray. One of them is ground, one of them 5 volts. Let's confirm that. Okay, I got my left scope on it, and I'm gonna turn the ignition. I expect to see it. Not even when I turn the ignition, when I stick the key in. Oh, I forgot to plug it in. Okay, ground is black, and red, yellow is positive. Okay, the other way. Okay, so I got 5 volts, and what I'm gonna do now, 5 volts will go away right now. Oh, it's staying there. It's okay. All right, so the 5 volt is the line that I'm gonna hook my resistor to against the ground, which is the other wire. Okay, and the resistance value I'll take 746K. I have a kit of all the possible resistors that GM uses. So this is the kit. It looks like a bunch of resistors, and I'm gonna try 746 first. And the way you try it, you put it in and turn the ignition on, wait for 2-3 minutes, and shut it off and start it again. If it don't start, that means the resistor, it didn't take the resistor. If I'm lucky, the first one I put will start the car. If I'm not lucky, I gotta go through all possible values until one that starts the car. I've done it before. It's a little tedious, but it would work. So first 746K and 2 minutes. Okay, let's see what happens. I'll come back with the results.